The overall goal of this procedure is to induce long-term increase or decrease in astrocyte GQG protein-coupled receptor signaling in response to changes in neuronal synaptic transmission. This is accomplished by first preparing acute hippocampal slices from wild-type mice. The second step is to apply sulforhodamine 101 to the slices to label astrocytes. Next, the acute hippocampal slices are incubated for 4 to 6 hours in tetrodotoxin to block neuronal action potentials or in regular artificial cerebrospinal fluid. The final step is to load the astrocytes in the stratum radiatum of the slice with calcium indicator using a back pressure loading protocol. Ultimately, confocal microscopy is used to show changes in astrocyte GPCR signaling activity by recording changes in spontaneous and evoked astrocyte calcium transients.
This method provides insight into astrocyte receptor plasticity and associated changes in GPCR signaling. It can also be used to measure homeostatic plasticity of metabotropic receptors in neurons.
To begin this procedure, turn on the vibratome and make sure the drainage is closed. Then, secure the cutting chamber in the vibratome and pack ice around the cutting chamber. Next, remove factory grease from the double-edged razor blade by soaking it in 70%